Okay, now we have reached the last example. Given that y is inversely proportional to x squared, if x is increased by 100%, find the percentage change in y. Alright, this is the whole brand new question that you have not encountered before. Can you see that they say that x is increased by 100%? Increased by 100%. So initially your x is this, and now it's increased by 100%. It's the same as saying that it doubled. So this is actually the same as saying that it is doubled. So now your x will become 2x, right? So with this information, now we can start the question. We know that y is inversely proportional to x squared. So we can say y is equals to k over x squared. Now, how do you find percentage change? Alright, the formula for percentage change is actually equals to your new y minus your oy divided by your oy times 100. Alright, so what is your y new, yo? Okay, so your y new is actually when your x is increased by 100%. So now we have to use the 2x into our formula. So our y new is actually k over bracket 2x squared, which we can say that is k over 4x squared. And our yo is our original formula, k over x squared. So now we know this information and this information. We just replace it in our formula. Y new is actually k over 4x squared. Our yo is actually k over x squared. Now we have a fraction in a fraction, so you have to be careful. Your yo is actually k over x squared times 100. Alright, now we have this case, numerator. When we have a fraction minus a fraction, the first thing that you have to do is to make the denominator the same. So I multiply 4 top and bottom. So I continue my working here. Alright, so in this case, I have to combine the fraction. So I have k minus 4k, I have minus 3k over 4x squared divided by k over x squared. So maybe I can write it this way so that I can prevent writing fraction over fraction. So divided by k over x squared multiplied by 100. So now, when we have a fraction divided by the fraction, we have to change it to multiply, and we have to reciprocate the second fraction. So minus 3k over 4x squared multiplied by x squared divided by k multiplied by 100. Alright? So now we can simply just cancel your k with your k, your x squared with your x squared. So we have actually negative 3/4 times 100, and you get negative 75%. Alright? So now the percentage change is actually negative 75%. Alright?